Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my fried rice recipe. This is a very simple dish. Let's go to the recipe. For this, we're going to use bird's eye chili. That is Thai chili. I have 4 of them. 2 cloves of garlic, 2 eggs. This is about 1/4 cup of anchovies. You can have 1/3, up to you. 1 red onion, you can use any type of onion, and 1 tomato. And the rice is yesterday's rice, which was put in the fridge for a day, overnight rice. Okay, I'm going to prep this and I'll go to the wok to do the fried rice. Some fried oil is about 1.5 tablespoon, and I'm going to fry the anchovy. I have soaked and washed. The heat has to be high. We're going to do all in one wok. If you want to do fried rice, you have try and use the overnight rice and leave them in the refrigerator and have them like that. It should be this way. If it's chilled, it'll be good. So let me this is the anchovy. I'm frying it to its crispy level. So okay, it's getting crispy. So I'm just going to push them aside, and first I'm going to put the garlic. I'm putting 2 garlic for 3 cups of rice. You may use just 1 garlic, don't have to use 2. And once you see so you see, when you get the aroma, put in the next one. Before the garlic becomes dark, put the chili, followed by the onion, increase your heat, increase your stove level to high. So now breaking your egg. Now put in your diced tomato. Sprinkle in about 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. And now you may put in the rice. All the rice. My fried rice is ready. Try my recipe, share with your friends. Let me know in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I shall see you in my next upload. Bye.